Naririnig nyo kaya? Naririnig nyo ba ako, guys?
Oo, narinig. Tingnan natin. Galing. So,
Ngayon, tatanungin natin sila, how do you budget your JB, I have a question for you. Is it okay? How do you budget your baon?
I don't.
I have a question for you. How do you budget your baon?
Huh?
How do you budget your baon?
Not buying anything.
Yes. How do you budget your baon?
Hindi ko na ba-budget.
How do you budget your baon?
I don't eat.
How do you budget your baon?
I don't budget.
How do you budget your baon?
Hindi ko dinadala.
Budget my baon by calculating my expenses.
What a nice one.
Sometimes,
Uy.
I don't use Sugala because I'm short. That's why.
I budget my baon by using budgeting apps.
Sapat ko!
How about you? Where?
Bakit? Hanapin ko lang daw. Go, malis.
Hahanapin namin yung kanyang tissue.
Hindi na lang mamili.
So we're here in Munting Gubad and we're gonna find her tissue. What the frick? This is 50-50 life, you know?
Ay, Diyos ko.
Okay, we found it, guys.
Oh, yeah. That's why.
There's Rhonda right there.
Say hi. Wala naman ako.
Oo nga, kailan nga eh, Bes?
Is this Tagalog or is it English? Okay. Is this Tagalog?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Thank you so much for... Yeah. Hey, Shark Boy! Okay, now we're here in St. Thomas. Now we'll ask Pinch Bidon. How do you budget your baon?
Ano, di lang ako kumakain sa tanghali.
Sige ba? Okay, we will ask my favorite tropa here. How do you budget your baon?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay, thank you for so much. Wala akong mainis. Gusto ko may mainis ako. Tignan natin kung sino yung pwede dito maano, guys. The freak. Okay, so hindi sila free time ngayon. Yung mga tropa natin. Let's ask our other friends. How do you budget your baon?
Ginagusto ko pala.
Ang galing, putang ina, sabi mo, budget, go! Tara dito, Aren. I have a question for you. How do you budget your baon?
I budget my baon. Kakain lang ako umaga, tas okay na.
How about you? Best friend, come here. How do you budget your baon?
Buying some foods. Ay, outside foods.
Bobo, budget ka, kaya dapat nag-iipon ka.
Kaya nga, bumibili ko sa outside foods.
Again?
Ha? Bumibili ko ng outside food kasi mura.
How do you budget your baon?
Tubig lang bilid.
Tangina, tubig lang daw bilin. How do you budget your baon? Pag kumain. You. How do you budget your baon?
Hindi ako nagbabudget eh. Inuubos ko eh.
Inuubos niya daw, guys. Oy, ikaw, how do you budget your baon?
Ayoko.
Dahil sa kausap ko